The sealed modifier is used to prevent a class from being inherited or to stop an overridden method or property from being further overridden in derived classes. When applied to a class, sealed means that no other class can derive from it. This is useful when the class is complete and should not be extended, which can help with code security, performance, and clarity. The sealed modifier cannot be used on a method directly in a base class unless that method is already overriding a method from a parent class. The sealed modifier is only valid on methods that are marked with override. This means you can only seal a method in a derived class to prevent further overriding in subclasses.